The future of technology promises to be an exciting and transformative journey, with numerous trends and innovations set to shape our world. While it's impossible to predict every detail, several key areas of advancement stand out as pivotal in the coming years. 1. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning. AI and machine learning are set to redefine our world. These technologies are evolving rapidly, making machines smarter and more capable. From autonomous vehicles and personalized healthcare to enhanced customer service and advanced data analysis, AI will continue to revolutionize multiple industries. 2. Quantum computing. Quantum computing is on the horizon, with the potential to solve complex problems that classical computers cannot. It will impact areas such as cryptography, materials science, and drug discovery, accelerating advancements in various fields. 3. 5G and beyond. The rollout of 5G networks is already underway, providing faster, more reliable connectivity. Beyond 5G, the development of 6G and beyond will push the boundaries of wireless communication, enabling new applications and experiences. 4. Internet of Things, IoT. The IoT will continue to expand, connecting more devices and systems. Smart homes, smart cities, and industrial applications will become more integrated and efficient, ushering in an era of interconnected convenience. 5. Biotechnology and Healthcare. Biotechnology, including gene editing tools like CRISPR, will revolutionize healthcare. Personalized medicine, organ regeneration, and advancements in treating genetic diseases will improve the quality of life and increase life expectancy. 6. Augmented and virtual reality, AR and VR technologies are becoming more immersive and integrated into daily life. They will find applications not only in gaming, but also in education, remote work, and various industries, enhancing our digital experiences. 7. Blockchain and cryptocurrency. Blockchain technology is extending beyond cryptocurrencies, offering secure, transparent, and decentralized solutions. Applications include supply chain management, voting systems, and digital identity verification. 8. Green and sustainable technology. The growing urgency of climate change will drive innovation in green and sustainable technology. Renewable energy sources, electric vehicles, and eco-friendly solutions will become more prevalent as societies shift towards sustainability. 9. Space exploration. The future holds ambitious space exploration endeavors, including missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. This could open new frontiers in scientific discovery, space tourism, and resource utilization. 10. Robotic automation. Robotic automation will continue to transform industries like manufacturing and logistics. It raises questions about the future of work and human-robot collaboration while increasing efficiency and precision. 11. Cybersecurity. As technology advances, the need for robust cybersecurity becomes paramount. Protecting data and critical infrastructure from cyber threats and data breaches will be an ongoing challenge. 12. Brain-computer interfaces. Advances in brain-computer interfaces will enable direct communication between the human brain and computers. This technology has promising applications in healthcare, allowing people with disabilities to control devices through thought. 13. Biometrics and Personalization. Biometric technologies such as facial recognition and fingerprint scanning will continue to play a critical role in security and personalization, with applications ranging from unlocking smartphones to secure access control. 14. Ethical and privacy concerns. As technology advances, ethical concerns related to data privacy, surveillance, and AI ethics will become more significant. Balancing innovation with the protection of individual rights and ethical considerations will be an ongoing challenge. 15. 3D printing and additive manufacturing. 3D printing is advancing rapidly, offering customizable and cost-effective solutions for various industries, from aerospace and healthcare to fashion and construction. In summary, the future of technology is a thrilling journey into uncharted territory. These trends and innovations offer incredible opportunities for human advancement, but they also bring significant responsibilities in terms of ethics, security, and sustainability. Embracing these emerging technologies while addressing the challenges they pose will be essential to ensure a future that benefits all of humanity.